stand together. Hey. Hey, yeah. See the people crying in the streets again. Too much suffering, too much pain. Rich and poor divided by the wall. But freedom should belong to all. Children dreaming of a brighter day, where no one gets pushed away. No more fighting over race or name. Every soul deserves the same. Equal rights for every man, equal love across the land. No more hate, no more divide. Let the truth be our guide. Equal rights, hear the people sing. Freedom is for everything. Hand in hand we stand tonight, shining in the light. Oh, old man working till the setting sun, still hoping justice will come. Mama praying for a peaceful day, where her children safe can play. No matter where you come from now, every head should wear the crown. Different colors, one heartbeat. Together we are complete. Equal rights for every man, equal love across the land. No more hate, no more divide. Let the truth be our guide. Hey, hey. Whoa. Raise your voice and let it fly. Hope and freedom never die. From the islands to the city lights, we keep fighting for equal rights. One love, one people, equal rights forever. Roots and culture. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Island breeze tonight, Rastaman vibing, grooving till the morning light. Whoa. Yeah, yeah. Sun goes down by the seaside lane. Warm, sweet rhythm wash away the pain. People dancing underneath the moon. Roots guitar playing that familiar tune. Bonfire burning, laughter in the air. Good vibrations flowing everywhere. No worries riding on my mind tonight. Only reggae music, feeling so right. And the stars keep shining above, hearts together, moving in love. We keep grooving, grooving all night long. One sweet rhythm and a rootsman song. Hands up high while the bass line rolls. Reggae music healing every soul. Hey, grooving, grooving till the morning sun. Everybody dancing, feeling young, positive vibes everywhere we go. Feel the reggae spirit in your soul. Old men smiling, playing dominoes. Children running with their bare feet toes. Sweet drum beating by the corner shop. Nobody wishing for the vibe to stop. Sisters swaying with the natural grace. Joy and freedom written on her face. Heartbeat moving with the island tide. Tonight we let the good times rise. And the fire keeps burning bright. Love and music unite tonight. Hey, we keep grooving, grooving all night long. One sweet rhythm and a rootsman song. Hands up high while the bass line rolls. Reggae music healing every soul. Hey, grooving, grooving till the morning sun. Everybody dancing, feeling young, positive vibes everywhere we go. Feel the reggae spirit in your soul. No hate, no war tonight.
No hate, no war tonight.
Only peace beneath the lights.
Only peace beneath the lights.
Let the music guide your way. Hey, reggae love forever stay. Grooving, grooving till the break of dawn. Roots reggae flowing on and on. One love, one vibe. Grooving tonight. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh. Sirens crying through the night now. Broken bottles on the street. Young boys running from the shadows, trying hard to survive the heat. Mama praying by the doorway, hoping her son comes back home. Too many dreams get lost in darkness. Too many hearts left all alone. Another candle in the wind. tear falls like rain. People searching for tomorrow, trying to break these chains. Guns in the ghetto, fire in the night, children crying while the city loses light. We need love instead of war. Open every locked up door. Guns in the ghetto, hear the people pray, hoping for a better day. Let the music heal the pain, bring the sunshine after rain. Oh yeah. Oh. Old man sitting on the corner says the streets were calm before. Now the youth are chasing danger, while the rich keep wanting more. Brothers fighting against brothers over money, fear and pride. But no victory lasts forever when humanity has died. Raise your voices for the children, let the whole world hear the sound. Only peace can build a future where true hope can still be found. Guns in the ghetto, fire in the night, children crying while the city loses light. We need love instead of war. Open every locked up door. Guns in the ghetto, hear the people pray, hoping for a better day. Let the music heal the pain, bring the sunshine after rain. Put the weapons down tonight. Let the people reunite. One love, one heart, one way. Peace begins with us today. Guns in the ghetto, no more fear and pain. Let the healing start again. Through the rhythm, through the sound, hope and freedom will be found.
Guns in the ghetto,
Let the children smile, walk in peace another mile, with reggae flowing through the air. Love and unity everywhere. Oh. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Here I am tonight, standing in the morning light. Roots reggae in my soul. Music keeps me whole. Walking down this rocky road, trying hard to lift the load. Through the storm and through the rain, still I rise again. People talking left and right, but I keep my vision bright. Jah guide me every day, never lose my way. Here I am, standing strong, singing my freedom song. Through the struggle and the pain, love will rise again. Here I am, holding on, dancing till the night is gone. One heart, one destiny, that's the way life should be. Children the sunrise in my eyes. Here I am, standing strong, singing my freedom song. Through the struggle and the pain, love will rise again. Here I am, holding on, dancing till the night is gone. One heart, one destiny, that's the way life should be. Raise your hands into the sky, let the peaceful spirit fly. No more hatred, no more war, love is what we're living for. Here I am tonight. Everything gonna be alright. Roots and culture lead the way. Forever and a day. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Morning light upon the river, children laughing in the sun. Old guitar beside the fire, another peaceful day begun. People searching for tomorrow, trying hard to find their way. But love is stronger than the sorrow. Jah will guide us every day. Stand together hand in hand, one heart across the land. Through the storm and through the rain, we rise again, again. King of love, King of peace, let the fighting finally cease. From the valleys to the sea, set the people free. King of hope, hear our song, give us strength to carry on. With the rhythm and the drum, better days will come. Boy! Mama praying by the window, Papa working through the night, dreaming of a brighter future, holding on with all their might. Every heartbeat tells a story. Hey, every road can lead to change. Keep your faith and keep your glory. Love can heal the deepest pain. Raise your voices to the sky, never let the spirit die. Even when the world feels cold, keep the fire in your soul. King of love, King of peace, let the fighting finally cease. From the mountains to the sea, set the people free. King of hope, hear our song, give us strength to carry on. With the rhythm and the drum, better days will come. One nation, one people, underneath the moon tonight. Sing together, shine forever, keep the reggae spirit bright.
King of love, King of peace.
Hey, let the good vibes never cease. Every voice in harmony, living peacefully. King of hearts, shining bright, guide us through the darkest night. To the sound of sweet reggae, love will lead the way. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah. Woke up this morning, heard a scratching sound. Little tiny footsteps running all around. Checked by the cupboard, checked under the sink. That sneaky little rat was quicker than you think. Stole my bread and butter, chewed my favorite cheese, knocking over pots with the greatest ease. I said, Mr. Rat, you better leave my home. But he just kept dancing like the place he owned. There's a rat in my kitchen, what am I gonna do? Running through the night, making trouble too. Rat in my kitchen, won't leave me alone. Every little corner feels like his own home. Called up my neighbor, said come take let the good vibes flow. Sitting by the seaside breeze, palm trees dancing with the leaves. Memories come back again, washing away my pain. Every sip reminds me true of the days I spent with you. But Jah knows I'll be alright, healing through the night. Red, red wine, ease my mind, carry my troubles far behind. Under the stars I feel so free, reggae rhythm rescuing me. Red, red wine, sweet and fine, sunset glow and good sunshine. One love moving through my soul, music makes the broken whole. Bonfire burning on the sand, brothers singing hand in hand, heartbeat moving with the drum. Feel the island spirit come, no more stress and no more fight, only peace beneath the light. Every melody we sing, hope is what tomorrow brings. Red, red wine, ease my mind, carry my troubles far behind. Under the stars I feel so free, reggae rhythm rescuing me. Red, red wine, sweet and fine, sunset glow and good sunshine. One love moving through my soul, music makes the broken whole. Hey. Raise your hands into the sky, let the good days multiply. Feel the bassline deep inside, take a little joyful ride. Red, red wine tonight,
Red wine tonight.
everything gon' be alright.
Everything gonna be alright.
Roots and culture, hearts alive,
Hearts alive.
forever dancing through the night. Oh yeah, sometimes the pain runs deep, but Jah guide I through. Tears from my eyes, oh yeah. Rain keeps falling on my window pane. Another lonely night, another hurting pain. Memories dancing like shadows in the dark. You left your fire, but you took away the spark. I gave you love from the depth of my soul. Now broken pieces are all that I hold. Still I'm praying for a brighter day, while my heart slowly fades away. Every road reminds me of your name. Nothing in my life feels the same. Tears from my eyes keep falling down, trying to smile but I only frown. Reggae crying through the midnight sky, broken heart with tears from my eyes. Tears from my eyes, I seaside shore, thinking about the love we had before. The waves keep singing your melody, but your sweet voice is gone from me. Friends keep telling me time will heal, but only Jah know the pain I feel. Still the music helps me survive, keeps this wounded soul alive, though the storm keeps raging on. I know Jah will make me strong. Tears from my eyes keep falling down, trying to smile but I only frown. Reggae crying through the midnight sky, broken heart with tears from my eyes. Tears from my eyes I can't deny, too much pain hidden deep inside. Still I rise and keep holding on, hoping for a brand new dawn. Oh yeah. One day the sun will shine again, after the heartbreak and the rain. No more sorrow, no more pain, only peace inside my veins. Tears from my eyes slowly fade away. Jah light guide my way through another day. Yeah, yeah. Roots, reggae forever. I remember when we started, walking barefoot in the rain, holding dreams inside our hearts, through the joy and through the pain. Every sunrise brought us closer, every road we walked the same. Now the fire keeps on burning like a never-ending flame. And no matter where life takes me, no matter how far I may stray, you will always be the reason I keep singing every day. Until my dying day, I will love you the same way. Through the storm and through the night, you will always be my light. Until my dying day, no one can take your place with this reggae melody. Your love will stay with me. Moonlight dancing by the ocean, soft wind blowing through your hair. Every moment feels like heaven when I know that you are there. People come and people leave us, like the changing of the tide, but my soul will keep on calling for the love we cannot hide. When the world becomes so heavy and the skies are filled with gray, I will hold on to your promise till my final breath one day. Until my dying day, I will love you the same way. Through the storm and through the night, you will always be my light. Until my dying day. heartbeat moving with the drums. In your arms I found forever, like the rising morning sun. Blessings from above. Oh, oh. Sitting by the shoulder as the evening falls, listening to the echoes of your distant calls. Memories keep dancing like shadows in my mind, trying to hold the pieces that I left behind. We used to laugh together underneath the stars. Now I'm walking lonely with these broken scars. Every little promise slowly slipped away. Now I'm left with questions at the end of the day. Where did I go wrong? Tell me what to do. I gave my heart completely, only unto you. Where did I go wrong? Somewhere on the way. Now the love we built is fading day by day. Mornings with your hand in mine. Simple little moments felt so pure and fine. Now the room feels empty and the nights are cold. A story once of silver turning into old gold.